Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC, we're going to go over the way you would add coolant to your GLA-Class Mercedes. We have our coolant reservoir right here. Make sure that your engine is cooled down before removing this, otherwise you can burn yourself. Right? So you never open it when it's hot. This is where you would add radiator fluid. If your sensor comes on, check it. Of course, look for any leaks. If there are leaks, fix those and then add your coolant here. Your radiator is up at the front here of the motor. It's down under all this stuff, and that's where all the radiator fluid would go. But anyway, so you remove this cap, add the coolant in there, the recommended coolant that would be for your vehicle. Look up the recommended manufacturer's color and what coolant you can put in. And you're just going to pour the coolant in there until you can see it. Sometimes there's markings on the side or on the sides. I don't see any here, but definitely at least fill it up to there. And then you're just going to go ahead and put the cap back on, tighten it up so it's all a closed system. And that's how you would add coolant to your GLA-Class Mercedes. Thanks for watching.